Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video about multilingual support for your WordPress website. Today we want to show you how Amelia works with multilingual websites. We know that many of you are providing their services in different languages or even in different countries. So for purpose of today's video, Alexander will show us how to use Amelia and WPML plugin for multilingual websites. I would like just to mention that you can use it with other plugins for multilingual websites, but the process is similar. So Alexander will show us how to do that in Amelia.
Okay, thank you. Well, you can take a look at our multilingual support documentation. It's under configuring Amelia, and most is covered in there. So basically we have, at the moment, we have Spanish, German, Dutch, Russian, Romanian, French, and so on languages included in Amelia. Approximately 90 to 95% is translated into these languages. If you need to translate the plugin in your own language, you can use the tutorial from here. Also, if you don't have these languages installed or configured, you can go to customize section of Amelia and simply change the language in the drop down on the top right, and then simply translate or edit these labels. So in here you're choosing the language that you're going to edit. The language is added in the settings. So if you have English, German, and Spanish, first in Amelia you have to go to general settings, and under languages, select the languages that you want to include on your website. That's pretty much it. When you save the settings, you can configure your pages with WPML or any other plugin. So basically, configuring the plugin, you guys are on your own for that. So multilingual plugins have their own settings here. And usually the pages are simply translated by adding a page right here with these plus signs. Currently we've translated the booking page, which is right here, and at the moment it's in English. So when you change it to German, Amelia is automatically translated since it's pulling the language from our language folder. And these are the service names, which also can be configured through Amelia. So when you go to services, the language of the service is in the language your WordPress website is configured. So right here in general settings. So when you edit a service, you will see the translate option right here. So you enter the translation of this string. So this is the name of the service. Let's just say test translation, since we're not that good at German and Spanish. So test 2, and that is it. When we save it and check the page again, the name of this service should be changed to test. Here it is, test translation.
And if we change to Spanish, it should be test 2, right?
That's right, yeah. So let's change it to Spanish. And let's see, it's test 2. So let's continue booking an appointment in Spanish. So, okay, let's continue and just show you guys what the email looks like. So when we hit confirm, the appointment is booked. Everything's in Spanish, and the email that arrives is also in Spanish. Now this is not done automatically, so you guys will need to go to notifications and add the translation for each notification.
Okay, so each language should have its own notification, so the customer receives notification in the language that he used to book.
Exactly right.
The service.
Yes. So this is the default English template. In here you can change it to German, and you can see what the German notification looks like. When you change it to Spanish, you'll see what the Spanish notification looks like. So just to show you guys that when you switch to a template that you haven't translated it yet, in Spanish, it's still the same as in English because we haven't translated that. And also for German. So only this one is currently translated for the purposes of this video. There are a lot of things that you can translate in Amelia now. So you can translate the categories. So for example, the category is Amelia Annual. You can translate that. You can translate the services. You can translate packages and basically configure that. Also, as mentioned before, in the customize section, you can modify each string by changing the language and simply adding the modified string. For example, if we change to German, you would be able to modify the string and basically see what it looks like when you hit preview.
Great.
That's pretty much it.
Thank you, Alexander.
You're welcome.
Guys, I hope this wasn't too difficult to understand, but if you have any questions additional, please leave them in the comments. Thank you once again and see you in the next video.
Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.
Take care.